Hello, good people. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a 2011 Suzuki Swift. Pretty much easy as a screw and using these tools to do it. So you'll need a flat screwdriver, big one, to twist and pop out. A very small Phillips head, and then a flat, very small flat screwdriver as well, because there's a screw just there. Okay, so very simple. Get that screw out first of all. Okay, so you got the, I'll just show you the other side. Two buttons there to unlock and lock. Okay, so if your key looks like this, pretty much you can do this. Okay, so take that screw off first. Okay, so once you got that out, a bit more. Just doing it with one hand here, one hand on the phone. Okay, so that's that. As soon as you undo that, the cover comes off. That's just the cover with the Suzuki emblem on there. And then you've got, that's I guess the chip in there. So you've got to eject that out. There's a little space there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Right there, and I'll show you with this is why you need the smaller flathead. So you just put your smaller flathead in there, and then you're lifting that, using leverage to lift that out basically. So it just pops out. Very simple. Okay, and there it is. And that's the shell. Okay, with the key on it, and that exposes the buttons on the on the chip itself. And what you're looking for is there's a little groove. There it is there, which you use the bigger flathead to insert and just twist out. Does that pick it up? Sorry, there. A little groove there, that's it there. I'll try and show you with two hands if I can. So you're going, there it is. And then, so I'll try and show you there. And he's just twisting. Okay, twist. It's pretty hard to do with one hand on the phone, but I have to twist up. You'll have to excuse me, guys. Okay, so once you twist, it dislodges the two. And you can then pull that out. There it is. So there's those two separated, and there's the battery in there. And you can just use a smaller flathead again to take the battery out. Okay. I found that side is probably best. So that, does that show it? That's it, comes out. Okay. And there you go. Get your replacement battery. Okay guys, so just put the battery back the way you found it, which is the writing. Don't know if you can see that. The writing side and the writing side. There you go. Okay. There you go. Battery is a CR1620. Okay, so the writing side down. Okay. Writing side down. Because this side actually goes onto the chip or the circuit, whatever you want to call it. Push that in. And then you're putting that on top. Only goes one way. Push down or squeeze together. Okay, squeeze together. There it is. Now you can test it before you put it back in. Okay, so let's have a test before you insert it into the key itself. You can test it like that. Let's have a look. Okay guys, so just press it. You can press it, test it before you put it inside. There you go, it works. So now you can put it all back together. So this only goes one way. Okay, with the buttons back into the shell, like so. Okay, that's in, essentially. And then you're just putting the cover back on. Now the cover has a little groove on that side. So, sorry, I'm getting it on camera. There's a little groove there, so that goes down and in first. Into that spot there. That spot there, okay, so you're going down into the groove and then push down. And then you put the screw back on and you're done. Okay guys, so that's how you replace a Suzuki Swift key, battery in a key fob. And if it looks like this, you can do it as easy as that. This one is a 2011 model I've got. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See ya.